Body of annelids is metamerically segmented, myomerically segmented, protomerically segmented, eumerically segmented. It's option A, metamerically segmented. In annelids, the mouth is overhung by the lobed structure called peristomium, prostomium, proglotid, parapodium. It's option B, prostomium. Which is the first group of invertebrates that has developed a closed circulatory system? Cnidarians, annelids, echinoderms, mollusks. It's basically annelids. The cheetah are absent in Lumbricus, Ferritima, leech, all A, B, C. Absent in leeches. The organ of locomotion of class Polychaeta are Seta, Pseudopodia, Podia, Parapodia. D is correct. Nereis and Chaetopteris are important examples of class Polychaeta, Oligochaeta, Hirodinia, Palisypoda. तो नेरिस एंड काइटोप्टेरिस जो हैं ये इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल्स हैं क्लास पोलीचीटा की. Polychaeta, Oligochaeta, and Hirodinia are classes of phylum Mollusca, Annelida, Echinodermata, Hemichordata. Classes of phylum Annelida. Organ of locomotion in class Oligochaeta are Seta, cheetah, both A, C, Parapodia. B is correct. Lumbricus terrestris and Ferricima posthuma are the example of class Polychaeta, Oligochaeta, Hirodinia, Palisypoda, Oligochaeta. Each segment in Hirodinia has additional circular rings called annuli. In annelids, excretion takes place by specialized structures called kidney, Malpighian tubules, flame cells, nephridia. D is correct. The body is covered by the glandular epithelium envelope called mantle in coelentrates, annelids, mollusks, arthropods. Mollusks. Helix aspersa is commonly termed as earthworm, grasshopper, butterfly, snail. It's garden snail. A free-swimming trochophore larva is produced during the life cycle of echinoderms, annelids, coelentrates, arthropods. फ्री-स्विमिंग ट्रोकोफोर लार्वा जो है वो बनता है लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ बेसिकली जो हैं ये एनिलिड्स हैं जो कि एक्वेटिक हैं. The most common arthropods on the earth are crustaceans, arachnids, myriapods, insects. So it's basically insects. D is correct. Cockroaches, grasshoppers, butterflies, and mosquitoes are crustaceans, arachnids, myriapods, insects. D is correct. Jointed appendages are found in the phylum Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Cnidaria. Jointed appendages in phylum Arthropoda. The body cavity of Arthropoda is called blastocoele, hemocoele, spongocoele. B is correct. B are C, same. A well-developed excretory system comprising of Malpighian tubules is present in Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Cnidaria. A is correct. Many arthropods possesses an extensive system formed of air tubes called trachea for exchange of water, food, gases, minerals. C is correct. Main tracheal tubes open to the exterior through openings called apertures, holes, ostia, spiracles. D is correct. Aquatic arthropods respire through gills, book lungs, A and B, trachea. It's C, A and B both are correct. In arthropods, blood is colorless as it is without hemoglobin, chlorophyll, hemocyanin, hemoerythrin. It's without hemoglobin. A is correct. The exoskeleton of arthropod is in the form of outer covering the cuticle which is made up of. क्यूटिकल किससे बनी होती है? काइटिन से. बी जो है वो इसमें करेक्ट है. In crustacea on the dorsal side of body, the exoskeleton is in the form of plastron, sleeve, carapace, sheet. C, carapace is correct. Daphnia, cyclops, carps, lobsters, prawns, woodlouse are the example of insecta, arachnida, myriapoda, crustacea. These are the example of crustacea. Which is the largest group not only of arthropoda but of all animal kingdom is insecta, oligochaeta, gastropoda, eutheria. A is correct, insecta. The body in insect has three distinct regions, head, thorax and abdomen. B. The thorax in insects has three segments in which are present three pair of jointed legs. In many, one or two pair of legs, antenna, wings, whiskers. C. Wings is correct. Housefly, mosquito, butterfly, moths, wasp and beetles are example of class Insecta, Arachnida, Myriapoda, Crustacea. A. Insecta is correct. There is a pair of appendages called Calicerae with claws, 2 pair of pedipalps and 4 pair of legs in Insecta, Arachnida. Myriapoda, crustacea. B. Arachnida is correct. Scorpions, spiders, mites, and ticks are the example of class Insecta, Arachnida. Myriapoda, crustacea. B. Arachnida is correct. Centipedes and millipedes are the example of class Insecta, Arachnida. Myriapoda, crustacea. Myriapoda. The process of shedding exoskeleton is called molting, ecdysis. Epiboly, A and B. D is correct. Female mosquito of genus Anopheles transmits plasmodium that causes malaria fever in man, sparrow, horse, cow, man. The tsetse fly of African countries transmit trypanosoma that is the cause of sleeping sickness, skin disease, lung infection. A and B. Sleeping sickness, A. The common housefly carries disease causing contaminate food, etc. and causes the cholera, hepatitis A and B, AIDS. It's basically A and B. In the above, tsetse fly also causes skin disease. D is correct. The useful insects are the honeybee that provides man with honey, sugar, wax. A and B. It's A and B. An extensive tracheal system formed of air tubules called trachea is found in mollusk, annelid, arthropod, echinoderm. C is correct. The largest invertebrate animal is octopus, giant squid, cuttlefish, phacelia. B is correct. There is a rasping tongue-like radula provided with many teeth in the mouth cavity of many mollusks, annelids, echinoderms, hemichordates. Mollusk is correct. Gastropoda, bivalvia, and cephalopoda are classes of phylum Arthropoda, Annelida, Mollusca, Chordata. It's basically the classes of Mollusca. C is correct. Helix, aspersa, and limed are example of class Bivalvia, Cephalopoda, Palisapoda, Gastropoda. These are basically the example of Gastropoda. D is correct. Mytilus, Anodonta, and Ostrea are example of class Bivalvia, Cephalopoda, Oligochaeta, Gastropoda. It's basically option number A, Bivalvia. Loligo, sepia, and octopus are the example of class Cephalopoda. The harmful mollusks are slugs, shipworms, mussels. A and B. तो इसमें जो slugs और shipworms हैं ये harmful हैं. Shell of freshwater mussel is used in mineral industry, button industry, soap industry, cement industry. So it's basically used in button industry. In mollusk, a respiratory pigment of blue color is present called hemoglobin, hemoerythrin, hemobilin, hemocyanin. It's basically hemocyanin. The free living species of echinoderms move with the help of forefoot, parapodia, foot, tube feet. C is correct. Bipinnaria and Brachylaria are larvae of phylum Echinodermata, Mollusca, Annelida, Hemichordata. These are the larvae of Echinodermata. The ability to reform lost organs is called regeneration. Asteris, sea urchin, sea cucumber, sea dollard, bitter star are the example of phylum Echinodermata. Echinodermata shows affinity with Hemichordata, Chordata, Annelida. A and B. D is correct. In echinoderms, water enters water-vascular canals through a sieve-like plate called madroporite, Steiner, colander, filter. It's madroporite. A is correct.